Ever drilled into a wall and worried about hitting a hidden wire or cable? The wrong cable locator can give false readings, waste your time, and even create serious safety risks. That's why in today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best cable locators and wire tracers that professionals trust for accurate and reliable results. Stay till the end to find the perfect tool for your work and budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Noyafa NF818L Underground Wire Tracer. The Noyafa NF818L Underground Wire Tracer is a professional-grade tool designed for accurate and efficient cable detection in complex environments. It features advanced anti-interference technology, allowing users to locate underground wires without signal disruption from surrounding electrical noise. This makes it highly reliable for both professional technicians and advanced home users. The device includes a visual fault locator that helps identify cable breaks or faults quickly and precisely. Its high sensitivity ensures accurate tracking even over long distances, making it suitable for large-scale projects and detailed inspections. The ergonomic design provides comfortable handling during extended use, while the simple and clear interface makes operation easy for any user. This cable tracer is ideal for detecting underground wires, network cables, and hidden electrical lines. It reduces the time and effort needed to locate faults, improving efficiency. Overall, the Noyafa NF818L delivers accuracy, durability, and dependable performance. Number 2. Noyafa NF918S Cable Tracker. The Noyafa NF918S Cable Tracker is a versatile and portable tool designed for professionals who need accurate cable testing and fiber inspection. This device combines multiple functions, including a cable tracker, optical power meter, and visual fault locator, making it a complete solution for network diagnostics. It features a clear LCD display that provides real-time readings, allowing users to monitor performance and results with precision. The optical fiber testing capability ensures accurate signal measurement, which is essential for maintaining stable network connections. The visual fault locator helps quickly identify breaks or issues in fiber cables during troubleshooting. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use in different working environments. The simple controls and intuitive interface improve usability for both beginners and professionals. It works well for indoor and outdoor applications, providing flexibility across various tasks. Overall, the Noyafa NF918S stands out for its multifunction capability, portability, and consistent performance, making it a reliable choice. Number 3. Noyafa NF826 Underground Cable Tester. The Noyafa NF826 Underground Cable Tester is a practical and efficient solution for detecting hidden wires and pipelines. It is designed to locate underground cables, wall electrical lines, and even water or gas supply pipelines with high accuracy. This makes it a valuable tool for electricians, technicians, and maintenance professionals. The device offers strong signal detection, allowing users to trace cable paths easily without damaging walls or surfaces. Its advanced detection technology ensures stable performance, even in challenging environments where accuracy is essential. The clear indicators help users quickly identify the exact position of wires or pipelines during operation. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to operate, even for beginners. The lightweight and portable build allows easy handling and transport, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. The durable construction supports long-term performance. Overall, the Noyafa NF826 provides reliable detection, ease of use, and versatility, making it an effective cable and pipeline locator. Number 4. MASTECH MS68 18-Wire and Cable Tester. The MASTECH MS68 18-Wire and Cable Tester is a professional-grade tool designed for accurate cable tracking and detection. It can locate wires, cables, and even metal pipes, making it a highly versatile device for various applications. This makes it ideal for electricians, installers, and maintenance professionals. The device offers strong signal transmission and precise detection, allowing users to identify cable paths quickly and efficiently. It helps reduce the risk of damaging hidden wires during installation or repair work. The adjustable sensitivity ensures accurate results across different environments and conditions. Its portable design makes it easy to carry and use on-site, while the ergonomic build provides comfort during extended use. The simple interface allows users to operate the device without complicated setup or technical knowledge. Built for durability, the MASTECH MS6818 ensures consistent performance over time. It works effectively in both indoor and outdoor conditions. Overall, this tester delivers reliability, flexibility, and ease of use, making it a dependable professional tool. Number 5. UNI-T UT25CL Handheld Cable Locator. The UNI-T UT25CL handheld cable locator is a compact and reliable device designed for safe and efficient cable detection. It is ideal for locating underground cables, tracing electrical lines, and ensuring safety during installation or repair work. The device features non-contact voltage detection, which enhances safety by reducing the risk of direct contact with live wires. Its high sensitivity allows users to detect cables accurately, even through walls or underground paths. The device is designed with a clear and simple interface, making it easy to use for both professionals and beginners. The handheld design ensures portability and convenience during fieldwork. The UNI-T UT25CL is built for durability and long-term use, with a sturdy construction that can handle regular use in different environments. It is also lightweight, allowing users to carry it easily without fatigue. Overall, this cable locator offers a good balance of safety, accuracy, and ease of use. It is a practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable and user-friendly cable detection tool. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.